Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I filmed this clown look. I want to do like a Halloween clown, but I wanted it to be kind of like glam and glittery at the same time. So this is what I kind of came up with. Anyway, if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. And now for the face of the clown, I'm going to go ahead and take Wet n Wild's paint pot in the shade white, and I'm going to go ahead and outline where I want the white. And once that is outlined, I'm going to take a bigger flat brush and the same white paint pot, and I'm going to go ahead and fill it all in. And my dog wanted to make a special guest appearance, so here he is, and he's trying to lick the paint off my face, and I'm over here trying to dodge it because I'm not trying to let him eat that. Anyway, this is my dog. He wanted to make an appearance. And once I wipe that hair off me, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that base is evenly applied. And I'm going to go ahead and take a Q-tip and wipe off the paint on my lips because it was just bothering me at this point. And now I'm going to take the white shade from the James Charles X Morphe palette on a fluffier brush, and I'm going to go ahead and set my entire white base. And now for eyeshadow, I wanted to use this Wet n Wild paint palette, and I'm going to dip into the two blue shades and kind of mix and create my own shade, and then I'll be starting to pack that onto my lid. Now picking up the James Charles X Morphe palette, I'm going to go ahead and take that blue shade on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out into my crease. And I'll be applying a star on both sides of my cheeks under my eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and take the Wet n Wild paint palette again. And I'm going to dip into the purple shade, the hot pink shade, and a little bit of the light pink shade as well. And I'm going to mix those to create kind of a bright purple, if that makes sense. The pink really makes the purple really vibrant. So I went ahead and did that. And I'm going to go ahead and draw my star. And at first I'll be outlining it, and then I'll be filling it in. And I'll be taking Colourpop's Glitterly Obsessed Glitter in the shade Disco Lady. And I'm going to go ahead and just take that on my finger and place that literally just all over my eye. I'm not going to put it in the center. I'm just going to place it all over because that's what I'm kind of going for in this look. And I went ahead and applied that same Colourpop glitter onto the stars as well. And Wet n Wild also has these little face gems. I believe the pack that I grabbed was called Treat Yourself, was the style. So I went ahead and took the blue ones and added one into my inner corner and right outside my brow. And then I'm going to take the purple ones and add those to the corners of the stars. And now for my eyelashes, I'm going to take Dodo lashes in the style D503, and these are the 25mm size, really super long ones, which I freaking love. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and apply those, and you can use code RosaXRobles at checkout if you want money off your order. I don't know how, I must have accidentally zoomed in on this part, but otherwise it cut out. So this is all I had to show about my lips. I basically just really overlined them and then brought the edge completely out to my cheek. And now I'm going to take a little flat brush and dip into the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm going to dip into that red shade, and I'm going to pack that onto my lips just to make it more red and more matte. Alright guys, and this completes this everyday wearable makeup look. I'm just kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching this clown glam tutorial. I had a lot of fun with this, and these paints were really fun to work with, and Wet n Wild is getting better and better every year at their Halloween collection. Last year it was good too, but this year they definitely stepped it up and had a lot more options. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this clown Halloween look. Any makeup product I used will be in my description below, and you can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, both at RosaXRobles. Please tag me if you recreate any looks. I would love to see. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any time I upload. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.